Ever seen tools so smart they make hard work look like cheating? In this video, we're counting down 20 insanely clever tools packed with genius designs, crazy power, and mind-blowing innovations. By the end, you'll be wondering, why didn't I know these existed sooner? Let's get started. The Bosch Ratchet wrench delivers fast, powerful cordless performance with 60 Nm torque and 400 revolutions per minute speed for M5 to M12 jobs. Its compact body, long neck, 3-speed modes, and ergonomic paddle trigger make it perfect for tight spaces and long working hours. Think a small level can't handle big jobs? Think again. The Hultafors Libella spirit level extends from 310 mm all the way to 3,100 mm, giving you incredible versatility. Its highly sensitive, easy-to-read vials help you achieve accurate measurements whether you're working in tight spots or across large surfaces. The STABILA LAX 500G is a green crossline and plumb point laser built for precise interior work like drywalling, tiling, electrical fitting, plumbing, carpentry, and window installation. With bright green beam visibility, long battery life, and versatile mounting, it's a reliable tool for accurate layouts on any job site. Cleaning up a huge mess? No problem. The RIDGID Wet and Dry Vac packs a powerful 7.0 peak horsepower motor that tackles dust, debris, and spills with ease. With rugged rear wheels, a durable cart design, and handy accessories, it turns tough job site cleanup into a quick and effortless task. Cutting thick branches has never been this easy. These pruning shears combine a powerful brushless motor with razor-sharp SK5 bypass blades to slice through branches up to 28 mm effortlessly. With adjustable cutting settings, safe storage, easy maintenance, and a comfortable grip, they're built to make pruning feel almost too easy. Need perfectly clean wall channels without the mess? The Wall Chaser cuts smooth, accurate grooves in masonry with adjustable depth control and reduce dust when paired with an extractor. Add a comfortable grip, soft start system, spindle lock, and overload protection, and you've got a tool that's built for precision and durability. The Inline vacuum blower clears leaves and debris quickly with cordless freedom, brushless power, electronic speed control, and a turbo mode for tougher jobs. Its soft grip handle, adjustable tube, metal tip, shoulder strap, and wall holder make it comfortable, durable, and easy to store. Forget the noise and hassle of traditional chainsaws. This Bosch cordless chainsaw packs a powerful brushless motor and a 40-centimeter bar, making quick work of timber, beams, and thick branches. Its smart OptiCut technology automatically adjusts speed and torque, keeping cuts smooth and preventing frustrating stalls when the job gets tough. Tired of carrying a heavy toolbox that fights back every step of the way? The Ergonomic tool carrier is designed for maximum comfort with a curved back, padded anti-slip shoulder strap, and high handle for easy transport. Add its rugged 1680D polyester body, smart storage pockets, molded base, and rain cover, and you've got the ultimate tool hauling companion. Want wood surfaces so smooth they feel factory finished? The Bosch Planer combines a powerful motor, micro-fine depth adjustment, and a precision-machined base to deliver clean, accurate cuts every time. Whether you're smoothing, trimming height, chamfering edges, or creating rebates, this tool helps achieve professional quality results with ease. The thermal imaging camera is a compact diagnostic tool for quickly spotting heat loss, thermal bridges, leaks, and underfloor heating issues. With super-resolution imaging, 18 Hz refresh rate, and lightweight design, it gives clear thermal results for both professionals and home users. Need industrial-strength threading without hauling around a giant machine? The compact threader packs heavy-duty performance into a lightweight, portable design. With a built-in oil system, adjustable flow control, quiet operation, and the ability to handle both threading and grooving. It's the perfect companion for fast, efficient work, wherever the job takes you. The topside work platform provides comfortable, full-body support for working over engines, with adjustable knee pads, tool storage, and easy height adjustment. Its sturdy steel construction, 650-pound capacity, smooth rolling casters, and foldable design make it a practical addition to any workshop. Ripping up an old deck doesn't have to feel like a full-body workout. The deck removal tool makes demolition faster, safer, and far less exhausting. With a high-strength handle, heat-treated alloy steel lifter, and built-in nail puller, it helps you tear through decking with ease while saving time, effort, and your back. Changing heavy wheels by yourself? Not anymore. The lift's all-wheel. Gripper makes lifting, tilting, and positioning wheels up to 75 kilograms feel surprisingly easy. Designed for speed, precision, and safety, it helps reduce strain on your back, shoulders, and arms, turning a tough job into a smooth one. The height-adjustable universal clamp supports pipes and conduits from 15 mm to 152 mm with fast, tool-free installation and precise height adjustment. Its vibration-reducing pads and 75-kilogram load capacity make it a simple, versatile solution for a wide range of installations. Who said cordless tools can't be powerful? The Makita 40-volt Max RIDGID GT belt sander delivers impressive sanding performance with the freedom of cordless operation. With variable speed control, an adjustable handle, built-in LED lights, and an efficient dust collection system, it makes every sanding job smoother, cleaner, and easier to tackle. Loose fence wires driving you crazy? The Inline Tensioner makes tightening fence and trellis wires quick, easy, and precise. Built to be strong, lightweight, and rust-resistant, it lets you tension or join wires without cutting them, saving time while giving your fencing a professional, secure finish. Getting perfect bends in brake lines can be tricky, but not with this tool. The brake line pipe bender creates precise 45-degree and 90-degree bends in 3 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm tubing with ease. Its lightweight aluminum design handles aluminum, steel, and copper pipes smoothly, helping you achieve clean, professional results every time. Ever wish your sander could reach the spots your hands can't? The Bendable Pneumatic Belt. Sander features a 55-degree adjustable arm that easily tackles curves, corners, and tight spaces. Perfect for deburring, cleaning, and finishing metal, wood, and composites, it delivers smooth results where ordinary sanders simply can't reach. That's it for today's 20 mind-blowing tools. If any of these made you say, "I need that," hit subscribe and stick around. Who knows? The next tool could save your time, your money, or at least give you an excuse to buy another gadget.